Today, we're going to talk about the AI photo editing tool on your Galaxy A56. Now, you can do several things with that, but we're going to show you the most beloved ones. How to enable it, how to use object eraser, how can you use AI selection, including creating GIF or moving images from a video. So let's get going. Alright guys, make sure you have logged into your Samsung account on your device, otherwise you won't be able to use it. And after that, let's open up settings once again, scroll down for advanced features, intelligence features, and here you can just take a look at what functions you can perform with the AI tools. Now first I'm going to talk about object eraser. For that I'm going to open up my gallery, and then I'm going to open a photo. So let's say I want to remove this human figure. All I gotta do is just tap on this pen icon to this 4-dot to object eraser, and then I'm gonna draw a circle around this figure. It'll select by itself, and then I'm gonna just press on erase. As you can see, the figure is vanished. So what I'm gonna do is just press on done and tap on this 3-dot. I'm gonna just save a copy along with the original one. And after that, let's say you want to paste something in here. So just open up any other photo that I want to paste in here. And what I'm going to do is just press and hold on the subject, press on copy. I'm going to go back to the photo, press and hold over the photo, and simply tap on this paste button. And then I'm going to just resize and reposition it according to the photo. And that's it. It's beautifully pasted on my photo. After that, you can just go ahead and save it like before. Now, let's talk about the AI selection. But for that, first, let's open up settings and search with Edge panel. And make sure the Edge panel's option is turned on. That's all. Now, as I promised, to create a GIF or GIF, whatever you call it, just open up any video on YouTube. I'm going to open one of ours. And let's say I want to make a GIF of our logo. What I'm going to do is just play the video and go to the exact same point that I want to turn into GIF. Now I will just swipe left my screen and then tap on AI select. Now I can either draw a circle or tap on the screen and then select the frame. And then either tap on this 3-dot from there to create GIF, or if the option is showing up, just tap on it. After that, play the video, start recording, and when you're done, just press on stop. And that's it, your GIF is created. If you want, you can just tap on this downward arrow to save it on your gallery. The third option I'm going to show you is using maps with AI selection. So let's say I got this address, it can be handwritten, printed, I got a photo of it in my gallery, it doesn't matter. If you have this on paper, just make sure to open up camera, put it right under your phone, and then swipe left to AI select, and then simply draw a circle around it. After that, tap on this T button and simply tap on maps. As you can see, the map is opening up the exact same address. Cool, right? There are plenty of other things that you can do with it, but that's all for today. Thanks for watching.